Hello YouTube, today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the tail light on the 2022 Chevy Traverse. It's the same procedure from 2018 to 2023 Chevy Traverses, right? I'm gonna do the passenger side because it's broken. I'm gonna also replace that one too. Alright, let's pop the trunk. Here is the new tail light. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop those two covers here and that last bolt, and we should technically be removing both sides, but I'm gonna only remove just that side, and just so I can get enough room to get the bolt off. Alright, I'm gonna take the bumper off halfway so I'll get access to the bolt for this. Is it peak like this? Let's pop the cover off. Good. 7mm. It's 4 7mm bolt, and that one is a T15. Now you need to remove those T15 screws here that attach the wheel liner to the bumper, and there is a 7mm bolt behind that plastic trim piece here. Alright, we need to pop that off also. Take over. Now let's pop this trim here. There it is. And there is a 7mm bolt back there. Alright. Let's take it off. This is off. Now we're pretty good. So now we can pop the bumper off, right from the body. The hand right there. There it is. Looking good here. Alright. And we're gonna need to pop this off too. All around it. Alright. This need to pop off from the body. So here is what it looks like. And we can take the tail light off. Alright, so what we need to do is just these two partial trim tool here and pop it off. I can see it's moving. Alright, okay, there's the connector, and that's where the other side is attached to. It's hooked to this here. Alright, let's unplug it. That's the old one. That's the new one. So when we install it, we have to make sure this slides into this, and there is one stud that goes into this. All right, and let's clean this up while we're here. Use some glass cleaner. Use a rag. Clean up in here. Much better already. We're gonna slide this into that while taking the bumper away from the tail light. Alright, as you see here, it's in. We're looking good here. It's in. Now let's attach the bumper around it. Alright, you're gonna hear a bunch of clicking noise when the bumper go over this thing here. Alright, when you reattach it. There we go. Perfect. Good. Now let's put the screws back in. Make sure you plug your connector, obviously, and put all the screws back in. Then you're good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.